many of these Hershey's Kisses will fit into this witch's hat?
How many of these Hershey Kisses will fit into this hat?
62.
Okay.
How many of these Hershey Kisses will fit into this hat?
220.
How many of these Hershey Kisses will fit into this hat?
I will say 200.
How many Hershey Kisses will fit into this hat?
I would say 187.
How many Hershey Kisses will fit into this hat?
75.
Now that I know how many kisses people think will fit in my hat, it's time to find the actual amount. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. R is the radius, which is halfway across my hat. H is the height, which is how tall my hat is. To find the radius of my hat, measure all the way across and divide it by 2. The answer is 3.75 inches. To find the height, measure from the tip of the hat straight to the top. The height equals 15 inches. Now that we know the height and radius of my hat, we can find the volume. Volume equals 1/3 pi 3.75 squared, which is the radius squared, times 15, which is the height. The final answer is 70.3125 pi inches cubed.
If you want to find the lateral area of your hat, the formula is pi times r times L. R is the radius, which we already know is 3.75 inches, and L is the slant height, which is 15.75 inches. Now that we know the formula for the lateral area, we can find the actual area. If you multiply 3.75 times 15.75, you get 59.0625 pi inches squared. Now we're going to find the surface area. The formula for the surface area is pi RL plus pi r squared. We already know what pi RL is, since that's what the lateral area formula is. Pi r squared is the area of the circle, which is the base of my hat. We already know that pi RL is 59.0625 pi. Now we add that to pi times 3.75 squared. Pi times 3.75 squared was 14.0625 pi. Now we add that to 59.0625 pi, and we get that the surface area equals 73.125 pi inches squared.
Now we have to find the volume of the Hershey Kiss. In order to do that, we need to find the radius and the height. The radius is 0.375 and the height is 1 inch. So the volume equals 1/3 pi 0.375 squared times 1. So the total is 0.04687 pi inches cubed.
Now that we found the volumes of my hat and the Hershey's Kiss, we can find out how many Hershey's Kisses will fit into my hat. The volume of the hat was 70.3125 pi. If you divide that by the volume of the Hershey's Kiss, which was 0.04687 pi, you'll get how many Hershey's Kisses fit into my hat. You can cross out the pi's because once you divide them, they will cancel each other out anyway. If you divide 70.3125 by 0.04687, you get 1,500. The answer is 1,500 Hershey's Kisses. That's a big number.